Hi, hello, and beautiful people all over the world. Make a love shout out to all of you and welcome here again with me. This is Karen Yang. And of course, big shout out po sa mga solid fan ng ating France Rhythm. Mga ka-Rhythm, bonggang shout out sa inyo dyan. Saan man sulok kayo ng mundo, sana ay safe po kayo ngayon. And thank you for joining me here today na i-reaction na naman natin ng isa sa kanilang cover song. Yun, napupulol na yung person na ito. Bakit anyayari? But before tayo pupunta doon sa ating reaction video, of course, magsha-shoutout muna tayo ng bonggang-bongga sa lahat po na mga nagko-comment ng ating mga latest video. And here you go. Isa sa mga nag-comment dito at isya-shoutout natin si Prudency Garcia ng 1430 with a heart. Wow, thank you so much for your heart. And two, may dagdag siyang comment. Yun, hindi lang doon natatapos. Diba? Sabi niya, hi Madam Karen, na magaling react. Yun rin yung to love somebody and nothing else matters. Oh, okay. I will put it in my list and with the user OC3WR8 or by 6J. Ang dami. Yun, bangkay shoutout sa iyo dyan. Thank you so much. And two, Leo Privado 189. Sabi niya, hi ma'am. Salamat sa suporta ng banda ng bayan. Of course, sa banda ng bayan yan. And of course, shoutout, a big shoutout to Beshi Lisa Flores. Thank you sa pagsuporta with Manoy Edsky. Hello, and bongga shoutout sa inyo with Rai Antago. Thank you, love, for supporting me all the way for this reaction video. Maraming salamat. And to user CX9EJG for XC6X. Ano yun? Napupulol tayo. This is the new subscriber from Rizal. Keep reacting to this amazing family band. To all the viewers of Rizal sa ating France Rhythm, bangkang shoutout sa inyo dyan. Thank you so much, oy. And to Manuel Canson with 5473, you know, nag-idol ko. Thanks for reaction. Thank you so much po. And Jesus Jellycam or Jellycami, tama po ba talaga? Ayun, hi Karen, nice reaction. Thank you so much po. And to Roger Raffles, amazing. Sabi niya with Ma'am Henny Istoya, bangga shoutout. And to Fermi Bolando, sabi niya, hi Ma'am Ganda. Good morning, isa po akong tagahanga sa France Rhythm. Pwede ba mag-request ng Let Your Love Flow by Bellamy Brothers and Levis 501 Jeans in the late 70s and 80s and Cotton Fields by Credence Clear Water Revival o CCR. Wow! Sige, yan na natin sa ating mga listahan yan. Of course, nakalista na yan. And to Cipriano Amoncio, tama po ba? Napakahirap ng mga pangalan ninyo at napakaganda din. Kasi ano siya, unique eh. Shout out. And of course, to all of you there, thank you so much guys for your overwhelming support. And of course, hindi na tayo magtatagal pa. Kasi na-shoutout ko na kayo at dito naman tayo pupunta sa ating reaction video today. Yeah, this is the reaction video. Hindi nyo ni-request ito. Pero I want to hear their version. Kung ano yung version na mapapakita sa atin ng France Rhythm sa kantang ito. This is another cover song of France Rhythm entitled Every Breath You Take. So here you go. You are really excited. I'm also excited because this is Banda ng Bayan, France Rhythm. Go, screenplay. Ano? Yan ang gusto ko marinig, yung ano, sa intro pa lang ng Every Breath You Take, yun, no? Yung bihisan lang talaga nila 'no, super simple. Tapos bakit ang daming gitara sa gilid? Pamigay niyo na yan sa akin, uy. Ay, wait lang. Pero napakaganda ni Char dito, oh, maayos yung buhok, oo. Kasi parang chill lang 'tong kantang ito, eh.
Every breath
Oh.
you take, every move you make, every bond you break, every step you take, I'll be watching you.
Napaka-relax, kantang-kanta, Char yan.
Every single day, and every word you say, every games you play, every night you stay, I'll be watching you.
Yun dito, yung kay yun yang. Oh, tingnan niyo, yun nakita tuloy yung kamay. Kaninong kamay 'to? Magsabi na kaninong kamay 'to, ha? Joke lang.
Oh, can't you see
Hmm.
you belong to me? I'm a poor heart aches, but every step you take,
Napakalma, Char, ah. Grabe, ang ganda ng buhok ni Bunso dito.
every move you make, every vow you make, every smile you.
Buti na lang na-cut-cut 'no, yung may talagang isang braso talagang parang papasok na yung cellphone. Ay naku, naku, lo kayo dun. Kaya pala si Bunso parang may tinitingnan siya. Buti si Char hindi nadi-distract.
You every flame you stick, I'll be watching you.
Gwapo ni Daddy, oh.
Since you've gone, I've been lost without a trace. I dream at night, I can only see your face.
Ganda yung smiley Daddy, oh.
I look around, but it's you I can't replace. I feel so cold and alone with your embrace. I keep crying, baby, baby, please.
Ganda ng falsetto. Alright, the harmony is there. Galing.
Can't you see you belong to me? I'm a poor heart aches with every step you take.
Oh, narinig niyo yung gigalin, "Every step you take." Oo, hindi siya nadi-distract kahit merong kumukuha ng camera dito sa kanila. Galing ni Char.
Every move you make, every vow you break, every smile you fake, every claim you stake, I'll be watching you.
Talagang mapapainda ka. Yun. Kitang-kita na tuloy yung kumukuha na doon.
Every move you make, every step you take, I'll be watching you. I'll be watching every breath you take, every move you make, every bond you break. I'll be watching every single day, every word you
Ah,
say.
galing. Galing dito ni Sir Franz at ni Chen, yung para magbigay ng harmony. Harmony with the song. Nabubulol talaga ako.
I'll be watching every move you make, every wall you break, every smile you break. I'll be watching every breath you take, every cheek, every single day, every word you say, every game you play. I'll be watching you.
Yay! Dito ko lang napansin, si Sir Franz at si magkamukha. Oo, magkaparehas sila ng mukha, oh. Galing-galing. Si Charm, oh. Yan, that is our Franz and Rita, mga katao. Tayo dyan sa baba. Ayun, shoutout and big shoutout. Of course, sa mga solid Franz and Rita, another cover song. It's a very great cover song with a voice. Yung gusto ko lang ganyan eh. Yung chill lang. Every breath you take. Parang ganun, ah? Nakakanta tayo. And, alam mo talagang sobrang simple lang ng mga tao, di ba? Yung kumukuha ng camera, gano'n sa gilid, yun. Buti si Char hindi na distract. And it's very great na makita nila yung mga ganyan pa sila. Yung ganyan pa, hindi pa masyado. Of course, marami nang nakaka-recognize with the Franz rhythm. But they are still remain on in their humbleness era, no? Yun, simpleng tao, yung pananamit, yung simpleng hairstyle. It's there. That is a Franz rhythm talaga. At walang makakapigil sa Franz rhythm talaga sa kanilang mga talento na meron talaga sila. That's for another great reaction video today, guys. And thank you so much for your overwhelming umapaw. Umaapaw. Ayun, hindi ko na alam yung mga nabubulol natin ng mga words, but thank you so much po sa lahat ng mga ka-Rhythm dyan with your community. Hello everybody, and this is again Karen Yang with this channel. And of course, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And to more updated reaction videos, just click the notification bell. And thank you once again. This is another reaction video, and see you next time for another reaction video. Bye-bye, and God bless you all.